Hey YouTube, Josh here, and I have something behind me that is pretty special to me. I'm finally buying some new tires. So behind me I have these brand new 42-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss X competition compound tires. It took me a while to figure out what tire I wanted to go with. I've been running the BFG crawlers, which I loved. Problem is they don't make a 17-inch wheel size in a 42-inch tire, which is dumb. BFG, please make 17-inch tires. 17-inch wheels on 42s. You would sell so many and be super rich. So after I had a buddy buy some of these, we were happy with how they performed, and so I thought this would be the best option for me. So the BFGs I bought pre-owned, and they have been doing great for a couple years, but after the last trip to Sand Hollow, I feel like it's time. I got the belts, steel belts showing. They're poking me all the time. I'm still going to run these a couple more times and then switch over to the Baja Boss X. I've always been a fan of Mickey Thompson tires, but I wasn't sure how they would do rock crawling, so I never got some. But now that they have this new competition compound and I've seen them perform, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. The tire is massive. I am about a little under 6 feet tall, and this tire comes up to my rib cage. It is a true 42-inch tire. There's only one problem I'm having. There's only one tire. Why is there only one tire? I don't get it. The reason there's only one tire is because I'm on a budget. I built this buggy over 3 years on a limited budget per month. No loans, just paid cash. As I went, looked for deals. So these tires, as you know, are not cheap. They're about $1,000 a piece once you pay tax and all that stuff. So we're looking at $4,000 for tires, which is ridiculous. Yeah, they'll last me probably 3 years, but that being said, it's more than I felt comfortable wanting to spend, and it's time to adult, pay off bills instead. But I was able to swing out one tire, and over the next 2-3 months I will have a set of 4. The reason I'm telling you this is that building a buggy takes patience, all right? Lots and lots of patience. If you think you're just gonna buy some parts and build it in 6 months, unless you're a shop and do that full time, it's just not gonna happen. All right, so one thing building this buggy has taught me is patience, and that is one of the attributes that I'm using today. Is I'm buying one tire at a time, paying my bills, you know, still enjoying some other hobbies. I enjoy cigars, I enjoy going to a happy hour with my friends, we enjoy going on cruises, we enjoy the pool. So something has to give, and that's why I have only bought one tire. But for those that are on a fixed budget, we have to make things happen, and this is making something happen. So if you're building a buggy and you're frustrated that you don't have enough money, or that it looks like on YouTube that everybody builds their buggy overnight, and is not the fact. So if you're building on a budget, stay vigilant. All right, don't give up. You're gonna wanna give up 100 million times. I promise. You're gonna wanna burn the thing. You're gonna wanna sell it, which if you go on Facebook Marketplace or these rock crawling Facebook groups, you're gonna see a lot of half-built buggies, right? They gave up. Do not give up. Finish your buggy. The time goes by fast, and then soon enough, you'll be enjoying your buggy just like I am. So yes, I am buying one tire at a time. Yes, it is funny, but it's how I get things done, a little bit at a time. I don't know who this video is for, but it's for some of you out there. Stay vigilant, keep building, enjoy your time in the garage, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching.